Hi, I am going to talk about top five that are going things that are going to the vanish. Yesterday we are discussing about six to ten that are going to vanish. Top 10. Today we will be discussing about top 10 that is top 5, 1 to 5 products that are going to vanish. And welcome to our channel Independence CJ. The top 5 is surprisingly meat. Yes, meat. That mutton, beef, it will be. People are consuming more than needed. The reason is why it is vanishing is because going on killing it will be reduced, and some are saying that it is sin and it is wrong to kill the animals, so that already engineering students are engineers are produced a synthetic beef, that is mutton, any mutton beef, or from the stem cells development. From the stem cell development we can synthesize the synthetic beef and mutton will be produced. Those are cultivated. Those are cultivated by uh, example. We want to say means I want to pick a cell from the cow and process into synthetic meat, and it is a normal way of telling, but if it is difficult to do, but in the future will be easily produced, like not only the cow, goat, pigs. Already the Canada it is doing this established this thing. We also know that this technology, that is we are growing the hens for the eating, so that artificially we are growing the hens for eating. Same concept is more developed manner. It is the synthetic beef and mutton is ready for the future. Already it is using the synthetic beef is using in the foreign countries as a sulfate in the burger. The top 4 is, the fourth is TV and radio. Available, these are going to vanish, but available in the different format, completely different format. That is example. We also know newspaper is converted into apps. Those TV and radio will be completely format into the tab, phone and laptops. Already the FM session is closed. The introduced the app called 45 apps. It is known listening music and podcasts is like similar to the Ghana music, Ghana Geo music, like that. TV also converted into shows in the Amazon Prime, Netflix. Shows are established in the TV shows, like due to because of youngsters are attracted to this technology, so that the technology it is adopted by the youngsters. The top 3 is fuel, that is petrol, diesels are not only today will be destroyed. The around 70 years to go to vanish. Maybe alternative fuels will be available, but the crude oil, that is extinction one, that vanish, like petrol diesel will be vanish. Already uh, we are the US are moved into the electric cars, that is Tesla cars. Top the top two is human operator, that is customer care, like that act, and relative jobs is going to vanish around 20 years. The human operator will be not there because of robots and AI technology. AI technology means artificial technology intelligence, that is human can do the robot can do own activity like a human. It may be dangerous or not dangerous, but we want to accept this reality. The top one is shockingly privacy. The in the future there nothing called personal things. It is not there. Before we when we talk in anything that is happen in a one room only, someone should tell to others to know want to others, but now we all are watching now. We what we are watching, what we where are we going, with whom we are spending the times, what we are eating. All our social medias are watching us, like Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. What we are browsing also, it can be watching by this technology. For example, there are many that what are we are eating, where we are going, and what we are chatting on the social medias, or what also is can be tell by the social media. Frankly, the in the future privacy is completely vanish. It is telling by the and scared by the experts and psychologists due to the AI technology, or this artificial intelligence. If I post a pizza in my hand in the Facebook, the notification come that near the 2 kilometer it is a pizza shop is there, uh, like that. The AI technology can sense our mood also, and completely controls our self, and no will be privacy or personal things in our future. One question you want to answer, that is, if we lost our privacy, what you do?